What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Whoa, you gotta get up out of the way, sir. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I'm currently just got off work on the way home, and oh my goodness, I hate to have to make a complete stop to turn. Anyways, like I was saying, I know a lot of y'all that have me on Instagram or Snap have seen that I've been having plans coming up, and I guess today is the final day that I'm gonna show you guys these plans for the ones who do have me on YouTube and watch my Snap and Instagram. If you don't, go add me on Snap, go add me on Instagram. I'll put all those in right here, right now. Anyways, so yeah, I'm on the way home right now. I'm actually pulling into my neighborhood right now. Loud as hell. I just now got home. And today I'm going to be revealing the plans that I've been saying that I've been having, the new plans that I've got planned for the channel. A lot of new stuff about to start happening. A lot of big different things, but a lot of y'all gonna be like, why? And a lot of y'all gonna be like, yeah. And then when I explain it to you guys, everybody's gonna be like, okay, that makes more sense. So let me get home, let me get freshened up, and then I'm gonna go meet the person with the new secrets that we have for the channel. I'll see you guys then. All right, guys, so I'm cleaned up now, all fresh, and I'm on the way to meet the person who's selling me what I'm buying. I'm not giving this up until I get around there. Crazy part about it is, it's in my neighborhood. Let me get a little glimpse of my baby real quick. I can't wait to get these wheels back here. It'll be so much cleaner. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna walk around to the other side of my neighborhood, and then from there I'm gonna be revealing the new plans that we have for the channel that's coming up. Hopefully you all like these plans, because these plans are about to be serious. No more waiting like we was before. Walkie. All right, we almost there. I'm real deal walking there. That's how you know it's close. I'm walking there right now. Literally, so I guess I'll give you the background on this story in a little bit. Let me get here first. I haven't been keeping these secrets too long. It was kind of just one of these opportunities that popped up, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take it, because I feel like I can give you guys more content right now if I did that. So I did that, and here it is. It's so beautiful. All right, we're walking up on it. I asked her if she didn't mind being on camera. She said she didn't mind being on camera, so I'm recording. Y'all gonna be like, why? It's like explaining these plans, then y'all gonna be like, smart man. All right, so her brother just went to go get her, but so this is what we're buying today. Y'all ready? Let me get from a different angle. This is what we buying today. Boom, another G. Yeah, we buying another G. I wish I was buying that. I wish I had the money to buy that. This is her new car, but this is what we buying today. Yep, another G. So, I'll probably take it around the corner to my house.
Okay, I'm gonna take the tag off then.
Okay, yeah, you can take it off.
Like I said, it'll make it. I mean,
yeah, to get around the corner. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
I think I need
just get it out your way.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know you tired of being right here. What's up, man? I'm AJ.
Oh, nice to meet you.
There she is. Hi. All right, guys. So the payments and everything is done. Here's the G. Yes, we bought another G. Like I said, I'll explain to you guys what's going on with it next and why I bought it. What's the plans for it? Since y'all all know that I already have a G. Don't give me a jump real quick, because the battery's dead. And we're gonna drive around the corner to my house. It's inside. You know how all G's have this little tear in the seat or whatever. It's cool. I know somebody with some seats already. This seat over here, on the other hand, is really nice. The back seats are really nice. Everything is really nice. Got some plans for this baby right here. Oh yeah, and it's auto. It's auto as well. Yes, it's auto. It's okay though. It's okay though. Just chill. Just chill on it. Here's my title. I just got the title for it. She's coming around to give me a jump in her new baby. See, at least she upgraded. I wish I can get this. Huh? Oh my gosh, guys, she upgraded so much. I wish I could have this. This is a 335. So beautiful. Twin turbo. So beautiful. I'm gonna take this beautiful car and give me a jump. So we can take this car to the house. Ooh, my camera's dirty. Oh, I'll do it. Let me take this. You good? All right, we're gonna try to start it now. Oh man, I forgot the keys are in my pocket. All right, let's try to start this baby up. Okay, so the car's not cooperating with us right now, so we're gonna try another car. Yeah, we got it running. Yeah, and it sounds good. Yeah, it does sound really good. It's not too loud, not too quiet. She know what she doing, y'all. She know how to do this a lot better than a lot of y'all guys out here. Okay guys, so I'm currently driving the car back to my house. So the issue with this car is that the transmission is stuck in like third gear. Like third or fourth gear. So I'm like giving it damn near half throttle just to move it. But it made it to my house though. We're gonna park it right behind the Beamy boy. And then it's gonna wanna stall out, maybe. Hi, Beamer. It has a little knock at the bottom. I think we can fix that. Got it. All right, guys, I have a good one. Good people. All right, guys, so with this car, let me get out and talk about it, let you guys hear it. It has a little tap, that little tap. I think that's the transmission torque converter, maybe? The knocking noise, it sounds like the motor, but I think it's the transmission making that noise. So I already have a new transmission for it. We're gonna throw the trainee in there. Oh, here she is. It made it here. Yeah. Huh?
That's the most it's driven in
Really?
months.
Wow. This thing is nice right here though.
Thank you.
This thing is freaking beautiful. And it's stick. Come on, now half y'all guys out here can't even drive stick. All right, well, I'll be bringing it back by sooner or later.
I can't wait to see it running.
All right, have a good one. All right, so this is the baby, guys. Like I was saying, this is the new plan. That thing is so, I love that freaking car so much. So I guess let me park it here and then let's talk about the new plans that we got for it. Let's do some talking. I guess I'll sit in here and talk. Okay, so the reason why I bought this car, another G, instead of buying something else, or like the reason why I bought another G in general is because, so let's go way back to when I bought the other G. So when I bought the other G, I'm not gonna tell y'all the plans for it that I had for it then. But I bought the other G, I had plans for it. A lot of stuff happened, lost a lot of money or whatever due to stupid things. And I couldn't do that plan, so I switched the plan to manual swap it, put a new motor in it or whatever. Well, around Christmas time, I had all the money that I needed to finally complete the other car, to complete the G that we have at the shop already. Lost my license or whatever because of that car. I still don't understand it. I just got tickets for loud exhaust and dark tint. Bunch of stupid stuff. Anyways, yeah, I got my license took, and then it all hit me at the same time because I forgot about tolls and yada yada yada. Make a long story short, I ended up spending like $4 grand on just to get my license back. That was all the money that I had to complete like the whole entire other G that we have at the shop. And I took all my money, so here it is. I finally got my license back, and at the end of March, and that's the same day I got my license back. It was the day that I welded a diff on the Beamer. I made a couple videos on the Beamer, and I was like, you know, I'm ready to start giving you guys what you guys want to see. And a lot of y'all been waiting for the G to get done, so instead of me making y'all wait even longer while I build my money back up and yada yada yada, I came across this one, which is my neighbor's. And this one's, I've been riding past it for like the past 6 months. It's been just sitting there for like the past 6 months. And I noticed that the girl, which was the owner that you guys just now seen, had got the 335 that she got. And then it's just not even longer. So I asked about it probably about 6 months ago, and her dad was like, you know, she's not driving it, but I think she's gonna give it to her boyfriend. So I was like, okay, whatever. Boom. 6 months later, probably about 2 weeks ago now, I stopped by again. I was like, you know, let me stop by and see what they're gonna do with it again, because maybe they got different plans for it. I stopped by and I asked him about it, and then I talked to her about it, and then she's like, yeah, she want to sell it. So we bargained on the price or whatever, and here we are. The reason why I bought this one though, instead of just doing my other G, is because this one's already running, as you guys can hear. This one's running, even though the motor is knocking a little. If that is the motor, I think that's a training knocking, because I think the torque converter probably went bad or something inside the training probably went bad. That's locking around in there. Hopefully that's it. But even if the motor is knocking a little bit, it's still running. It's still running, it's still driving. And then the best thing about it is, so everyone knows that the other G that I got was automatic and we were supposed to be doing the manual swap. So that other transmission still worked perfectly fine, so I already have the training that I need for this car. So I knew that it was a really good investment, because there was not much that I was going to have to put into it after buying it to get it, you know, running and starting to drive it and being able to make videos on it. So my plans for now is to get this G to the shop whenever I can, whenever I get this one Cadillac off the rack. Get this G to the shop, get everything fixed on it, get everything done with it, get it back on the road. I'm gonna do the timing chain, tensioner. I'm putting the new training in it, fresh oil. Try to, if that is the motor that's knocking, then I'm gonna try to put some thicker oil in it, or do something to get that knocking to go away. If I can get that knocking to go away, that's it. Even if I can't get it to go away, I know I can get it to get a lot quieter than it is right now. If that is the motor, worst case scenario, I do know how to get it quieter to where I can still daily drive it. I just won't beat the hell out of it. I'll just drive it normal for now until I get more money to maybe swap the motor in this one or whatever. And I'll just buy like a junkyard motor or something instead of trying to buy a JDM motor, because the motor that I wanted to get for the other G was a JDM motor, and they wanted $1,300 for it. Mind you, it does have only 50K miles on it, so they say. $1,300 for it, and again, like the plan for this one was to get it running, get it registered, and daily it, and just make as many videos as I can. I've been looking up a lot of G35 videos that I've been wanting to look at myself, and I don't see them, so y'all about to get flooded with a bunch of videos from this car. And don't forget about that car. So now that this car is about to be my daily, the Beamer's about to be strictly pretty much track for now. No, I don't have any more real plans for the Beamer for now. Everything that I'm going to be focusing on from now is going to be this car. I'm gonna try to make a really good turnaround, a really fast turnaround with it. I'm gonna try to go ahead and get it to the shop, fix everything on it, get it looking nice, get everything right with it. That way you guys can have as much content as you guys want, and I can give you guys more content back to back instead of once every twice every 2 weeks or something like that. This will be a lot more. I have a lot more stuff. I have a lot of plans for this car already. You guys have no idea. I did not just go blind and buy this car just to buy it. We got plenty plans for this car that we got coming up. So if y'all ready, gang is ready too. The Beamer, I just recently raised the Beamer back up. I raised it up a little bit so that I can have some more. I had got rid of the negative camber. If you guys got me on Instagram and Snap, you would know that. If not, you guys need to go add me on Instagram and go add me on Snap, so as you guys can see all the behind the scenes stuff. But I had a lot of negative camber from it being so low, so I raised it up in the back, and I got rid of the negative camber, so maybe it'll be better for drifting. Well, it'll definitely be better for drifting now with the negative camber, with the negative camber going or positive. I don't remember which one it was. I just know I had camber and I was gone. So no more plans for him as of right now. He just chilling. A lot of plans for him right now. Whole lot of plans for him. Y'all, I want y'all to support me a lot. You got my drink? How you just gonna take my drink? You don't know? Okay. But anyways, yep, y'all get ready for a lot of new stuff. But that's gonna be it for this video. That's our new baby that we're about to introduce, and we're about to get a lot of stuff done to him. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Make sure that y'all smash that like button, subscribe if you didn't, go add me on all my socials, and come support the channel. Tell them, mommy, say come support the channel. All right, whatever. I'll see y'all in the next one.